it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. Let me show you the new way to fry yams this 2024, okay? Family, if you're not frying your yams this way, then you are missing out. Let me show you how to make this crispy fried yam, okay? Let's go. So over here you can see I have neatly peeled my yam, so I'm going to remove all this black from it, and then we are gonna cut it into cubes. Good. Make sure it's biteable size, okay, so that it wouldn't become chunk in your mouth. Not I guess. So our yams are ready, so we're gonna rinse, and then over here I have my water. I added some little salt and some little turmeric powder just to get that beautiful light yellow color. So I add my yams to it and then stir for it to incorporate into the water. So whilst doing this, I have preheated my oil. So we are gonna transfer this into our hot yam, but this is the secret. Add some onion to the oil, okay? Family, it takes this yam to another level. The flavor, oh my goodness. The aroma, you gotta try this. Okay, so if you want your yam to be crispy, you just sprinkle a little water whilst it's frying, and then you stir it gently for it to fry, okay? Fried yam, the udia, I will say a fried yam, and you say a cooked yam. Just look at this. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come as the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So you can see I have paired mine with some peppered gizzard, and it was so delicious. Family, this is how you should fry your yams this year 2024, and the family, they are gonna ask for more. I hope you get it. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. So see ya in our next video. Bye bye.